This INTEX sand filter pump has been working great for about 2.5 years, and all of a sudden the motor died. But I want to tell you, this thing was going strong non-stop for 2.5 years. So this is where you put the sand. You can let some water out down here if you want to. This is your outtake if you have waste. And we've got the motor is actually inside of this part. It still has electricity, so we can turn it on, but it won't be pumping. But you can set this all the way up to 12 hours. And then we have where our water comes from the pool, all of our little outlets here and inlets. And this has been such a wonderful pump, and I am super excited because I have a replacement for it. But if you're looking for just a sand filter pump, this one is very, very, very good. And my pool has stayed very clean for 2.5 years. My pool is an 8,500 gallon pool, and it is perfect. And we've had this one for about 3 years also, and we have been running it with that pump with no issues until recently. But like I said, it is almost 3 years old, and I absolutely recommend that sand pump if that's what you're looking for. So good, hard working type of pump that will keep your pool very clean.